This quick tutorial will walk you through how to make a simple tie-on belt using an old pair of jeans. You can download the pattern for this by following the link in the description below and shorten or lengthen it depending on the size of your waist. The final belt should be the measurement around your waist plus about 15 to 20 inches so that you can tie the belt off. So to start with, you want to cut your belt pattern out of your pair of jeans. Sew the belt pieces together along the center seam. And then fold that belt in half lengthwise with right sides together and sew. Make sure to leave a gap in the center of the belt. Clip the corners and then turn the belt to the right side through that gap in the center. After turning, you want to press the belt and sew up that gap. You can also top stitch along the entire edge for a neater looking finish. And that's it, you have already finished your new upcycled denim belt.